This is Josie. She's an Australian cattle dog and she's nearly 11 years old. This is the first time that she's been introduced to the DiggerDog Nail File. So what I do first is I put the treats into the file, leaving the lid open. Josie, find the treat. I do this a few times so she understands that the food is inside. Josie, find the treat. Find the treat. Good girl. So the next step is I put the treat into the file and I close the lid, leaving just a tiny gap so she knows that there's food in there. Josie, find. Good girl. First touch on the lid, and that's what I'm looking for. Treat's going into the file. Josie, find it. Good girl. Good girl. Treat's going to the file. Josie, find it. Good girl. Yes, reward immediately. Ready? Find it. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Josie, find it. Good girl. Find it. Good girl. Find it. Good girl, Josie. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Yes. Find it. Good girl.